yeah, I got a new package just came in the door, and it's right behind me here. I think I know what's in there. Let's check it out. Let me get the scissors. All right. All right. What do I have in here? Oh yeah. Looks like it's my Maxton rear wing or extension. Looks nice. Wow. Cool. And then two other things here. Couple of decals. Nice. Flow design. All these decals. Thanks Mafudal from AM Tuning. I appreciate it so much, man. All this extra stuff you provided me. It looks like I got my dark black front and rear decals for my Golf. That's probably the front. And of course the rear. You gotta have the rear. Oops. Something that's stuck. You got the rear as well. Nice. Can't wait to get them installed. A few more things in there. Alright. This must be my billet. Aluminum. DSG paddle extension for my. I will show you what I have. I got this one from eBay. So steering wheels. It's actually a DSG steering wheels for a GTI. Really can't wait to install it. This will pretty much go right there, and the other one would be on the other side. That would look very cool, very nice. So currently I'm waiting on my my airbag to come, and the Suji wrap for the steering wheels itself, the leather wrap. And once that's done, I'll be installing and having a video for sure on this one. What else do we have here? All right, tons of decals. Again, thanks Mafudal from AM Tuning. Sponsorship on some of my parts. I appreciate it. You guys are a great provider on a lot of these parts in Canada. Products are free shipping, which is really great. Appreciate it with that. Haha. I got a strap here for my keychain strap. Awesome. What else do I have here? That's pretty much it. Again, AM Tuning, thank you so much for the parts that you just shipped me over here. Can't wait to install them. I'm really grateful for all that, and it took about a week to get here, which is amazing. Thank you so much again. Go AM Tuning. Appreciate it.